Hello, this is an unboxing video from batch number 2279310. This is by Umarex, USA. This is an Elite Force M4A1 AEG Airsoft gun. Its velocity is 345 FPS. It's CQB legal in most airsoft arenas. It comes with a high-strength nylon fiber receiver and also comes with metal barrel, sights, gears, and gearbox. And included is your battery and charger. I'm going to take it out of the box here for you so you can get a better look. Here you have your no return policy to the store, information on Elite Force BBs, and where you can go on Facebook to like their page. Here's your product registration information, your operating instruction manual, it also comes with 2 magazines, I'm going to put one of these back in here. Before I forget, I also have underneath this, there should be a box that comes with your battery and charger, your battery, and your wall charger. Right here, if you pull this down and pull and slide this straight off, now it's locked right in place. Bolt lever. Then here would be your safety. Right now it's on, semi, and auto. There's a little button right here on the side that allows us to be able to drop the magazine right on out.